Hello everybody, my name is Metanox and welcome back to another vlog. So, here's the thing, or something. Yesterday, unfortunately, I didn't get to post a vlog. So if you guys actually do watch my channel and keep up with the videos that I make, you would have seen that there wasn't a video actually for about the past 2 days until today. Except for the short video, the little short. The YouTube shorts. But other than that, I didn't actually get to post a full video because YouTube was deciding to reject my videos. Or video, I guess I should say. And I'm not sure why, but I did manage to get it posted today. And so this is probably going to end up being tomorrow's video. And so it's just gonna end up going on from there. So I'm not gonna try to confuse you guys with like saying this is gonna be tomorrow's video is gonna be the next day's video, blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna try to do that because the thing is, yes, I do want to try to make videos daily, but also I'm sooner or later gonna run out of things to do because, well, if you watch my latest video, you're gonna see that we went to like what we believe is an old abandoned Indian area, and I plan to go there today. Spoiler alert. But I'm going there today, but this time I'm going by myself, and I'm going to be rock hunting again. Hopefully our dogs don't follow us, or follow me again, I guess I should say. But, this is already ending up being a bit long of an intro. I'm going to go ahead and get ready because I'm not entirely ready yet. I'm still in, like, sweatpants. I'd rather go in jeans, and then we'll be on our way. Alrighty, now I'm all prepped. I got some jeans on. And now, all I have to do is just get my boots on, get my bags, and then we will officially actually be on the road.
And we shall begin.
That was cringy. Today we have a bit of a south wind, and it's the afternoon. It's actually 6 o'clock right now in the afternoon where I live. And the sun's actually going to be down in about 2 hours, so if I want to do this, I gotta kind of do it quick because this is going to be a 2-mile walk. A little more. Oh, wait. Hold on. Okay, so I thought I heard somebody pull up when, hey guys, you stay away from the truck and trailer. I thought I heard somebody pull up when I was inside, getting all my bags and stuff like that. But one of the farmer guys must be here, so maybe, I don't know. This might end up being like a little bit of a sneaky mission. You guys stay here, because I actually really want to get back over there. Because honestly, it's just a really nice place. If not, at least make it to that rock pile. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm going to try to save a lot of time on this video because I don't want to end up being like 53 minutes long again. Almost an hour. Because, yeah, so I'm going to cut this here and I'll update you guys when something actually happens or if I end up not being able to make it. My boots aren't the greatest of boots, and they kind of are old and holy, so they keep getting dirt in them. Also, I just now posted a TikTok video. So, if you guys saw that TikTok video and that's the reason why you're here, for one, congratulations, you made it to the video on YouTube, and second, thank you. And then also to catch some of you up if you didn't see the TikTok video. Right now, I am in the middle of the field, and I think the owner of the field is, well, I don't think, I know he is. He's in the field right now. It kind of seems like he's picking out rocks. But, he's just right over this hill. I'm, like, right in the blind spot. So, but I'm really hoping that he doesn't end up, kicking me out or something. Because that'd be a bit sad. And I also feel like I'm getting in trouble. So this has become a little bit of a sneak mission. But anyways, I'm going to go because, again, I don't want to make these clips too long. So I'll see you guys after a bit. I'll give you guys an update after I get to another certain distance. Whew, my leg is going to be sore again. I Okay, so a little bit of an update. If you've seen my last video, I'm nearing to that rock pile where we found that like decent sized quartz. Not as big as one that was in the actual forest area though, but I'm near there to there. And I haven't seen the farmer again, so that's good. My only other now concern is that the guy that has that little perch up in the trees might be there, and he'll tell me to get. I don't know, we'll see. But other than that, what the hell? Anyways, other than that, I just wanted to say, if I have like any friends that, okay, so if any of you guys know for a fact that you live in my or near my area and sometime wanna come out here with me to check out this place, I would gladly take you. Oh, I think I'm just hearing the wind and the leaves. But the thing is if I'm gonna take you, just be aware that this is a little bit over a mile walk. It's about a mile there, a mile and 1/4 of there, or 1/4 of a mile, and then a mile and 1/4 back. So it's about a 2.5 mile walk. So you have to be willing to be able to go that far to see this place. Ooh, hello. And then you also, I highly recommend this. Bring water, bring some sort of snack, because you will get thirsty, and there's a chance that you might also get a little hungry. So there's my recommendations to you. If you know that you live in my area and you feel like going on a big walk and hang out, then just hit me up on any of my social medias and we'll talk. And just like this, here's so far the best find of the day. Nice little white rock. Well, not rock. Specifically, it is a quartz, but there's the best find of the day so far. Oh my god. Okay, I shit you guys not, but I swear to god, I just saw something down in that forest area. Right now I'm at the top of the hill, and oh my god, I swear to god, I just saw something. Holy shit. I'm not actually, I swear to god, I'm not saying this or doing this to like creep anybody out, but oh my god. Okay, I'm now creeped out. I don't know if that would have been my neighbor, but I swear to god, I saw something move. I know for a fact I did. I'm gonna just sit right here for a minute and see if I see it again. Oh my damn. I saw it like right down there. Now, of course, I'm out in like the middle of a freaking field, but that's like a forest area, and obviously there's gonna be like animals in it or something like that. But whatever I saw, it was like big and white, and I don't know what it was. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna continue on. Hopefully I don't get attacked by something. Oh my god, that actually kind of creeped me out. Because I don't know what it was. Like, it's one thing thinking that you're out here alone by yourself and that like nothing's gonna get you, but then like when you hear or even like slightly see that one little piece of movement, it's like, oh my god, I am not out here alone. And then that's when you just get to thinking, and then the paranoia just continues to tick forward, and it doesn't get any better until you know for yourself that you are alone. The only way how you find out, the only way that you find out is by practically running in head first. Which pretty much what I'm doing. So, yeah. Oh, this is a rock that I found last time. Huh. But anyways, again, I don't want to make these clips too long, so I'll update you guys the next time I can, or if anything interesting happens. There's a little shotgun shell right there. Huh. Okay, I am now practically like right on the edge of the forest here. I'm also practically right where I saw whatever it was. It was in the forest. It wasn't like on the edge of it outside in the field. Feels like there's something in my boot. I'll have to fix that. But I'm nearing to it, and I'm kind of keeping my eye out right now because I really don't feel like being attacked by something. Oh my god, I need to go back through the recording to make sure you guys heard that. Oh my fucking god. I did not add that in. I swear to god, I did not add that in. I'll be right back. Okay, yep, you guys definitely heard it. You guys definitely heard it. But I might have to figure out how to up the volume in that one part. But oh my god. I don't know what that was, but it came right that way. I'm looking to see if there's anything there. Again, if you saw my last video, I said that this place kind of gives me Skinwalker vibes and Blair Witch vibes, and now I definitely have that times 10. Oh my god. Okay, I am deciding, without continuing on forward, I'm actually gonna head back home because right now it is 6:34. It's gonna take me about another half hour to get back because I got about a mile walk again, and by that time it'll be around 7. But yeah. I don't know what that was, but I really don't feel like finding out. Now, of course, it might have just been like some sort of like wild dog, like a coyote, because we do have coyotes around here, and they are not necessarily known to attack. But despite that, I actually have no idea what it was. So again, I'm gonna head back. I'm not gonna do my outro just yet, but yeah, I actually now have even more interest in coming back here sometime. But I think the next time I'm coming down here, I'm gonna bring a friend, because I think this would be freaking awesome. Because this is actually surprisingly a decent size, like it's like a mini forest, but it's like decently sized, and it's just like, oh my god. Well, actually, you know what, I'm gonna take a seat from it because my legs are a bit sore. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can't like miniaturize that clip and save it, just of that part where I had the sound, and I'm gonna post that on TikTok too. Oh my god. I don't know what that was. But yeah, I want to, if any of you guys are like, you know me in person and you don't live too far away, sometime we need to come down here. I swear to god, I actually kind of want to bring like a tent down here and camp out for like in one night, because this I think would be cool. Maybe like camp brush where it's nice and thick, because everywhere else it's a bit thin. It's like the driest place that I know of in this entire area. Everything else is a bit of a marsh. There's even like a little actually like waterway that comes through here, which is funny because this is all like on top of a hill, kind of. Even though you can see that it's like, so it's like a middle hill. It's not exactly on top, but it's not at the bottom of the hill, I can tell you that. God, now I'm just being cautious. Okay, I knew I saw something. I knew it. This is turning out creepy. Okay, this clip is already becoming a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and get heading back. I'll give you guys an update once when I'm like halfway back or something like that. I don't know, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys after a bit. I just now kind of noticed something, and now I don't know if it's because of me, but right now it's dead silent. After that sound, there's been nothing else. What in the world? Hey guys, just letting you all know that I did make it back home safely, and actually I'm just about to have dinner, but I've got to be completely honest, this has been one of the most interesting videos that I have made in a very, very, very long time. That honestly creeped me out. For one, seeing something in the forest from the top of the hill, not knowing what it was, and then hearing a sound that, once again, having no idea what it was. This was like one of the most interesting experiences that I've had in a video, and honestly, I want to go check it out again. So one of these times, what I think I'm going to end up doing is actually going back over there, and I'm actually hoping to someday have a drone. So maybe one of these days I'll be able to catch something on the drone if I can ever manage to get one. But tell me what you guys think it was down in the description down below. Make sure to subscribe so that way you guys can also hit the notification bell. That way you guys are be able to be notified whenever I make new videos like this, because I'm just going to say this right now, I am definitely going to continue to look into this. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications, and I'll talk to you all later. Hello everybody. Well, wow.